We are studying oxidation reduction reaction. We have already discussed oxidation. I have already told you that oxidation and reduction never be separate, they always occur together at the same time. But to make it easy to understand, I am explaining them separately. First oxidation, then reduction. Finally, I will make you understand oxidation reaction occurs together. I have already discussed oxidation reaction and also make you familiar with electropositive and electronegative ion and radicals. Now we will see reduction. According to the definition of reduction, addition of hydrogen or electropositive, removal of oxygen or electronegative. First we see addition of hydrogen and electronegative by an example. Take O2 plus H2, hydrogen and oxygen when combined chemically they form water. Here we see that H2 is added to O2, hydrogen is added to oxygen. Thus addition of hydrogen is oxidation. Here O2 oxidation, reduction. Addition of hydrogen is reduction. Here H2 is a reducing agent. It is a reducing agent. Reducer or reducing agent means H2 reduces oxygen into H2O. Here oxygen is reduced to H2O, water. Next example, when sulfur react with sodium, they form sodium sulfide. Na means sodium is an electropositive element. Due to addition of sodium, the reaction will be reduction. Addition of sodium in a ion. Sodium electropositive. Sodium is an electropositive element. Due to addition of sodium is added to sulfur to form sodium sulfide. Therefore, reaction is a reduction reaction. We will see next example, removal of oxygen and removal of electronegative. Reduction as the removal of oxygen or electronegative. I have already mentioned you electronegative and electropositive. Take an example of chemical equation. Let when CuO and H2 hydrogen react with copper oxide and hydrogen react, the copper is separated from its oxide. Oxidation. Copper is separated means removal of O is reduction. Here CCuO, copper oxide, is reduced to copper metal. Thus removal of oxygen is reduction. Here hydrogen is reducing agent. which itself oxidize to H2O. Second example, second equation, AlCl3 aluminum chloride plus sodium. When sodium and aluminum chloride react, the metal sodium is separated. Removal of electronegative. Removal of Cl electronegative reduction. Here AlCl3 reduced to aluminum metal. Thus the removal of electronegative elements or radical is reduction. We have already discussed that oxidation reduction reaction take place together. If there is oxidation, there must be reduction. If there is reduction, there must be oxidation. But we have studied and discussed this separately to make the task easy. Now we will take in another video how oxidation and reduction occurs together by taking one or two example. The other way, other definition of oxidation reduction reaction on the basis of electron theory is loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. But this theory we will discuss in higher classes. Now I request you to subscribe the channel and like the video. It will give some benefits to me.